All right, we're going to continue with math and count on our number chart. We're going to count by ones, tens, fives, and twos. You can use your chart at home, or if you want to just watch and count with me on my chart, you can do that. So let's count together. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100. Let's count by tens. Ready? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Let's count by fives. Remember, we start with number 5. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. Now by twos. Start with number 2. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30, 32, 34, 36, 38, 40, 42, 44, 46, 48, 50, 52, 54, 56, 58, 60, 62, 64, 66, 68, 70, 72, 74, 76, 78, 80, 82, 84, 86, 88, 90, 92, 94, 96, 98, 100. Good job. Next, we're going to practice our dot patterns. We haven't done that for a while. So, because we had our test yesterday. So, let's get our dot patterns out here. See what you remember. We're also going to practice our Spanish. So, we'll do English and then Spanish. So, we have 5, 5, 8, 8, 3, 3, 4, 4, 10, 10, 1, 1, 6, 6, 7, 7. 2, 2. 9, 9. 0, 0. Back to 5, 5. All right, usually on Fridays we do have Spanish. So just to brush up a little bit on your Spanish, I got my sheets, my arc paper here of colors. Hopefully they show up okay with the lighting. Let's practice our colors in Spanish just for fun. So this is red. Red is rojo. Next we have orange, anaranjado. Make sure you're saying them with me. Next we have yellow. Remember what yellow is? Amarillo. Next we have green. Do you remember what green is? Verde. And we have blue. Blue is azul. This is purple. Purple is, anybody remember? Morado. And we have pink. Pink is rosado, but also we also say rosa, remember, for our song. Black, negro. Brown also has two names. Marron. On our paper, remember we learned marron, but in our song we learned it as café. White, we have blanco. And then our last one from our song, gray, gris. And we should be back to red. So hopefully you're remembering your Spanish colors. All right, well, we're going to start today with our worksheet. And it says, days of the week, follow your teacher's directions. I told you we're going to be working on calendars. A good thing we've been practicing our months names and our days of the week names. So first things first, name on your paper. Put your name on your paper. There's lots here for me to read to you about stuff. So we have April. That's the month we're in right now, April. But the way they have this calendar set up, they have the first day on, if you see here, it's Sunday. Ours actually started on Wednesday. So this calendar is the numbers are put in different places than what the actual April calendar is for us right now. So, but that's okay. I'm going to give you some things. So what we're going to do is count how many days are in April. And you see there's some empty spots here. You're going to write the numbers that are missing. Let me get my crayon out. So let's count together and write the missing numbers. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What should be here? 6. Let's write a 6 on there. Continue counting. 7, 8, 9. What should be here? 10. Write a 10 on there. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Write 19 on there. 1, 9 for 19. If you're not sure what to write, just look at my paper for the answers. Okay, let's continue counting. After 19, we have 20, 21, 22, 23. Let's write a 23 on there. 23. Let's just continue counting just for practice. 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. There are 30 days in the month of April. Remember, when you're asked how many days are in the month, you always look at the last number. That's how many days are in the whole month. Always look at your last number. I've told you that before, and maybe on tests too. That was on a test before, I remember. So it says, find the tractor on the calendar. What day of the week did Farmer Brown use the tractor to plow the field? You're not writing anything. We're just going to find it. Where's our tractor? What day? You remember we look at our days across here. We have Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. So what day did he use the tractor? Wednesday. Okay, you don't write anything on there. Next question is, find the bag of seeds on the calendar. What day of the week did Farmer Brown plant seeds? Look for the seeds. There's a bag that says seed on it. So it would be, if you found 20, they want to know what day of the week is. So let's remember how we look up to the top. So what day did that happen? That happened on a Friday. Friday he did it. It says, find the purple thread and needle. Purple thread and needle. Did you find it? It's over here. What day of the month did Mrs. Brown mend her dress? Mend means she was sewing it to fix it. So mend her dress. What's the date? April 14th. They want to know the date, not the day of the week. They want to know what day in April. April 14th. All right. It says find the calf. What day of the month was a calf born? So let's look over here. We have a calf so what day of the month was it born? April 30th. So April 30th the calf was born. Now it says put your finger on the box for Sunday. So put your finger on the box for Sunday. You see the word Sunday here? Sunday. It says, how many Sundays are there in the month of April? Well, let's count how many are full here. So let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So there are 5 Sundays in the month of April. Now it says, draw a cross on each Sunday in April. So on the Sundays, I'll show you. I'm just going to draw a cross because what should you do on Sunday? Where do we go on Sunday? To church. So I'm going to draw a cross on each Sunday in April, just like that. Just draw a cross on there. Those are church days. Next, it says, it rained several days during the month of April. You need to listen closely to this because you're going to be drawing some things. So it rained several days. Draw a raindrop on each of the following dates. So it's going to tell you, I'm going to tell you what days you're going to draw a raindrop. So the first date is April 7th. April 7th. Just do your best to draw a raindrop. You see how I did that up there for April 7th? That was the first one. You can draw a raindrop. Okay. Next date is April 12th. Find April 12th on your paper and draw a raindrop. See if you found it. April 12th is right here. 1, 2. It's 12. April 12th. Next we have April 24th. So you want to look for your 24th. April 24th. Draw a raindrop on there. So all the way down in this third row. 24, 2, 4, 24. And then the last day that it rained was April 26th. And you only need to go over 2, 6, 26 and draw a raindrop in for the 26th. April 26th. All right, and that is it for this part of this calendar. You can turn your page over. We're going to discuss some things. Get out, you're going to need a blue, a red, and a green crayon for this next part. I want to make sure you have those crayons out. Blue, red, and green. We're going to talk about these kids first. You're not going to color right away. I'm going to talk first about what the kids are doing. It says, which child, we're just looking at these three pictures of the kids. Which child is ready for church? If you were looking at the three kids, which one would you say is ready for church? You chose this one, you're right, because what's he holding in his hand? The Bible. So that makes you think he's ready for church, huh? Because he's holding a Bible. Which day of the week do you go to church? Which day of the week do we go to church? Sunday, huh? We have these up here again. Let's say them. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. So Sunday is when we go to church. Don't color anything yet. I didn't tell you to color anything. So it says, what do you know about Sunday? That's a tricky question. What do you know about Sunday? When you look at this row of days of the week up here, it's the first one. That's the answer they're looking for. And that's a little bit of a tricky question, but it's the first one. When you say your days of the week, you always start with Sunday. It's always the first one. So now you need your blue crayon. So get your blue crayon. Get my blue crayon. And the directions say, color the box for Sunday blue. So I'm going to color mine. And hopefully you can see this good enough. So the first box, Sunday, should be colored blue. Okay. We're going to move on. It says, which child is doing schoolwork? So look at these three kids again. Who looks like they're doing schoolwork? Should be picking this girl. She looks like she's working on a paper at a desk, huh? Right? Oh, it says math on there. She's doing her math. So it's the girl sitting at the desk with a paper and pencil. And it says, which days of the week do you go to school? Which days of the week do you go to school? We go to school on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, huh? Used to go to school. Hopefully we'll be coming back to school, huh? So I'm going to have you color Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday red. I'm going to color those. The days you go to school, you're coloring them red. So you should be coloring 5 boxes. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday red. So your paper should look like this with those colored. Okay. And it says, which child is playing? The child in the middle, huh? The boy with the car and the truck, he's playing. It says, which day of the week is not a school day or a regular church day? Saturday, the last one. So it says, color Saturday green. I want to show you something I noticed on here to see if you noticed. Whenever they said about Sunday, color blue. What's the boy wearing? Blue. Days you go to school, color them red. What color is the girl wearing? Red. The boy that's playing Saturday, color Saturday green. Isn't that something how they made the kids match the colors of the days of the week? All right, now next at the bottom, time for review. Oh my, looks like Farmer Brown's waking up and looks like Mrs. Brown is getting breakfast ready. Let's see if you remember how to write your time. Look at your clock and write your time. I'm going to write the answers down. Go ahead and do yours. Let's see if you are right. Let's see if you are right. What time does Farmer Brown get up in the morning? He gets up early. And what time does Mrs. Brown have breakfast ready? So you should have written 5 o'clock. Remember, it's on hour hand is the short one that's on there, and the minute hand is on the 12, which is always a clock. It's a clock when it's on the 12. So 5 o'clock and 7 o'clock, because it's the hour hand, the short hand is pointing to the 7. So 5 o'clock and 7 o'clock. If you wrote that down, then you were right. All right, that's it for math for today. Next, we have Bible. We're just going to do a little bit of review, and I'll be talking to you later. You'll be telling me your memory verse. So we're just going to have a quick review in Bible. See you in Bible next.